I worked hard to tell as many people as I could about the Atomy system that leads to success.
I remember the first time I saw Mr. Yoon was in Korea when me and Rebecca and some members, we went to the Success Academy venue, and he was so warm and so welcoming us and talk with us, trying to communicate with us.
That someone is really not for the business, but truly is, sharing God's love, God's words.
Through Mr. Yoon, I learned that Atomy is a business that has a positive influence on many people, helps many people, and helps you succeed.
Today's hero, new Imperial Master, Yoon Eun Sook and Eun Sook. When you hear Atomy's Imperial Master, you wonder if you can ever reach that level, and you dream of it. He did not do it for his own benefit and success, but he has become a tool for the passage of blessings. I'd like to congratulate God and Mr. Yoon for achieving that. I believe that the Dr. Yoon Eun Sook I know will become a swan and lead us to the future at the forefront of the road to becoming a full smarter.
That is such a historical moment, and it will inspire all of us to know that it doesn't matter how long it takes, how much time, all of us, if we don't give up, is to reach Imperial Master. So we love you so much, and we really, really appreciate everything you do since the very beginning, and all of us Atomians love you.
I'm so proud that I can be one of your crew to go Imperial. So thank you for giving us this perfect example. So may your life be used by God in a bigger impact.
I will continue to walk on the road to success with him.
I met God personally in my 20s, and I hope to spread that joy to the ends of the earth by serving the poor and needy. I am where I am today because Chairman Park Han-gil and I shared the same purpose and direction under a common cause. We deliver service, sharing, and gospel throughout the world. Everything that I had dreamed with the chairman came true. I believe the driving force behind Atomy's growth is the power of the company motto. We were able to come this far because we cherished each and every soul under the company motto that 16 million members shout with one voice. As a partner and a member spokesman who has been with Atomy since its beginning, I will forever preserve the roots of Atomy's faith.